Hey, would you like to learn how to buy investment properties with little to no cash? Join us on our next live stream, August 31st on Thursday night at 7 p.m.
I am Michael Anderson. He is Michael Williams. Join us on our next live stream. Over the past 4 years, we've done 90 deals, and over 50% of those we've used creative financing.
Now, we know a lot of people talk about buying homes for little cash up front, but Let's Get Paid, we do it on a daily and weekly basis here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. On average, many of the homes that we buy with creative financing, we pay less than $30,000 to become the owner of the home. And in a few cases, we actually pay less than $5,000 to close a deal.
That's right. So on the live stream, we're going to go through our method to find, close, and purchase these homes using creative financing with very little of our own cash in the deal.
And real time, during the live stream, we're actually going to buy and sell deals. Some of these homes that we purchase with creative financing will give you the opportunity to buy. If you have any deals to sell, bring them on. We'll do a live real-time deal analysis, estimate what we could offer you for that home, and show you how we come up with the profit. That's going to be real-time and live during the live stream. And also, we're going to do a homeowner visit and may actually get an appointment or get a contract real-time as part of the live stream. So you got to join us and see us buy homes real-time.
Hey, you heard it. That's Thursday, August 31st at 7 p.m. via live stream. RSVP by going to our website at www.letsgetpaid.com on the Let's Get Paid live page. Register and join us for this great learning opportunity.
Now that's Thursday, August 31st at 7 p.m. Bring your questions, bring your deals, bring your money. We're going to do it all during the live stream real time. It's going to be a fantastic learning opportunity for you. And as always, hey, let's get paid.
Let's get paid.